Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to force restart your Apple Watch in just a few simple steps. Whether your watch is frozen, unresponsive or stuck on the loading screen, a forced restart can help. So let's get started. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. You should only force restart your Apple Watch if it's completely unresponsive. If your watch is working but experiencing issues, try restarting it normally by powering it off and on first. To force restart your Apple Watch, you will need to use two buttons. The digital crown, which is the round button on the side of your Apple Watch, and the side button located right below the digital crown. Now follow these steps. Press and hold the side button and the digital crown at the same time. Keep holding these buttons for at least 10 seconds. When you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, you can release both buttons. This means your Apple Watch is rebooting. Your Apple Watch should take a few moments to restart. In some cases, this could be longer than the normal time it takes to start after you have turned it off. Once it turns back on, check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. You have successfully force restarted your Apple Watch. If your watch is still unresponsive after this, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Apple tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.